Follow this video to reassemble overmolded diaphragms on a QUANTM pump. This procedure is the same for both the hygienic and the industrial pumps. Before starting, ensure you have the following required tools shown per your pump model. Disconnect the power. Note, lubricate the motor rotor whenever you are replacing diaphragms. Watch the rotor assembly video for more instructions. Apply thread locker to threads. Screw the diaphragms into the shaft and hand tighten. Align the first fluid cover to the motor. For hygienic models, install clamp to hold fluid cover in place. Do not tighten clamp until both covers are installed. For industrial models, secure the fluid covers with fasteners, thread locker, and hand tighten. If, after installing the first fluid cover, the opposing diaphragm protrudes away from the center housing, leaving a gap between the center housing and the second fluid cover, do not try to force the diaphragm into position. Instead, complete the following steps to attach the second fluid cover. Turn control knob to off position. Plug cord into outlet. Making sure you are not near the exposed diaphragm, slowly turn control knob to on position until the diaphragm moves and is seated. Turn control knob to off position and remove cord from outlet. Align the remaining fluid cover to the motor. For hygienic models, install clamp to assemble fluid cover. For industrial models, secure the fluid cover with fasteners and tighten to torque specified in the manual. Tighten using a crisscross pattern. Now you can go back and make sure all fasteners are torqued per instructions in your manual or the other clamp is securely tightened. Refer to the steps in the applicable check valve reassembly video.